Hello everybody, so this is a makeup tutorial basic classic bold lip, and we are going to use the Warrior 2 by Juvias. Please don't mind my eyeshadow palette, and we're going to start with Jamata. Okay, it's a little messy, but it's okay. Alright, so I did prime my eyelids prior to. I used the Wet n Wild Photofocus, and I also did my eyebrows prior to as well. I wanted to save some time on the video because I already have videos on that, and definitely go check them out in the iCard above, and especially down in the description bar below. Okay, alright, so we're blending the Jamata in. We're basically using the Rose Gold Collection blending brush, and we're going to use Yoded on the eyebrow bone so we can start blending everything out and just have a little bit of a, you know, lighter or highlight type deal. But I do this just to blend everything in so everything could look cohesively together. And when you are, the number one rule in makeup is to blend. You have to blend till your arms fall off. Blending is your friend. If you do not blend, then it will not look nice. Okay, you know, you could come out looking clownish and stuff. So it's okay to, you know, to put the eyeshadow all the way up there, but at the same time you have to learn how to blend everything together so everything could look nicely and cohesively together. If not, yeah, so that's just basically about that. So with blending, you have to do it. You just have to. You can't get around it. I mean, unless you just want to be lazy and want to like a clown, that's okay for you, but not for me. Okay, so you guys know. All right, so we're basically continuing to blend, and that's just basically about that. We're solely using this palette, and you can purchase this palette off of juviasplace.com, or you can go to your nearest Ulta. I'm not sure if they have the specific palette there, but you can try to see if they do. If not, there's a website, and I definitely will put links down to videos down below of my swatches and Juvia's Place and all this stuff, so you guys could definitely see. This is my go-to palette. I'm definitely a fan of Juvia's Place. They have some nice palettes that you can use. Okay, so we're basically just blending, so I will be back to talk to you guys after this. Okay, all right, so blend till your arms fall off. Blend is your friend. Okay, just remember that. Okay, all right, so I'll be back. All right, y'all, so I'm done. That's why I'm dancing. Finally, I'm going to use the primer from Smashbox. I love this primer to death. But yeah, so I already did my wing, as you guys can see. It look kind of short from this side. Okay, but anyway, yeah, so I moisturized my face prior to, and now I'm putting the primer on. This is to make the foundation adhere better to your skin and to have a flawless look. Okay, and now I am putting the concealer on under my eyes, as you guys can see. And this is the Maybelline Master Cameo. I have to get some more because I basically, yeah, I'm using the orange because I ran out of the other one, so I'm using the orange corrector in the palette. So I definitely have to get some more, so I will soon, because this is my favorite concealer, and I have to get ColourPop soon. I will. But yes, that's basically about that. So after this, I'm just basically doing my face, and that's just basically about that. I don't want to talk you guys heads off the whole time, but this is how my face is. And again, blending definitely goes hand in hand with foundation as well, and with the concealer. As you guys can see, I'm blending it in, and this is to get my dark circles. As you guys can see, they are not there really anymore, and so I'm just making sure so it won't show through when I apply my foundation and things of that sort. Okay, so that's just basically it about that. So yeah, so this is what I like to do. This is my foundation routine. This is my face routine. This is what I like to do. A lot of people do not like doing all the makeup and stuff like that, but it's really up to you to what you want to do. Okay, it's really up to you, but just know that you have to blend. Okay, because if you don't, you will look like the mask. I say this all the time. Okay, you don't look like the mask. You really don't. Okay, so just make sure that you don't like the mask. Okay, that's just basically about that, y'all. So I am done here. I hope you guys enjoyed, and that's just basically about that. And this is my Real Techniques brush that I'm blending it in with. And I like the brushes. I like this brush basically because you get that nice airbrush look, but you can use whatever that you know your heart desires. But this is what I like to use, and that's just basically about that. And you come out with a flawless look. Well, when I do it, I do. So it's really up to you how whatever you want to do, but just make sure that you are blending, y'all. You don't like the mask, just please blend into the edges, blend into your neck. You just have to blend, please because if not, oh Jesus. But anyway, I digress. All right, so yeah, so if you haven't learned anything today, please blend all over the place, and then I'm out of here, you guys. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a wonderful, blessed day, and continue to be great and do you, boo. Thanks for the view, boo. All right, so if you guys want more makeup tutorials, please hit that like button and subscribe if you like, and share if you like, and that's just basically it, you guys. All right, in the comments, please watching. Peace, bye.